Sai Ram. Congratulations, both of you, Samarth and Karthik. It's a wonderful gift from Swami to be graduated from SSC. And we wish and pray Swami to bless you all the time and guide you all the time and give you more gifts like this. Thank you. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. Congratulations, Karthik Anna and Samardanna. I wish you a great best luck for your future. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Samarth and Karthik, congratulations. Wish you all the best and Baba's blessings. Nobody comes in Baba's fold without his grace. And you came at a very tender age, so that is the blessings. We came when we was in 30s, late 30s or 40s. So you are very young age, you're very fortunate, and that means that Baba's blessing with you. All the best and wish you all the best. Thank you.
All the best, Karthik, Samarth, and Sai Ram. God bless you. Be happy.
Sai Ram! Congratulations, Karthik and Samarth. So proud of you graduating high school and SSC and becoming young adults.
Please continue to be great instruments of Swami and do his work.
Best wishes and all the blessings for your future endeavors. Sai Ram!
Sai Ram, Samarth and Karthik. This is Surya Aunty. Just wanted to wish you both, congratulations on graduating from SSC 4, moving on, becoming a young adult. I have seen you both, like always, being committed to, SSC, where you have learned so many good value system. And also, not only that, in many instances, you have participated in conducting SSC program where you have shared your knowledge, wisdom with the younger SSC kids, and literally have seen you both groomed up to be a very fine-tuned young adult, and Swami's blessings is always there, and congrats on both of you from graduating from high school, moving on to college. And I'm sure with the value system learned through SSC, you'll always continue to be a very finer human being and making very good choices in life and overall. And wishing you good luck and lots of blessings from here. Thank you.
Sai Ram Samarth, Sai Ram Karthik. Congratulations on your graduations and good luck for your future. May Swami's blessings be with you all always. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Samarth and Karthik, on your graduation from SSC. Really appreciate your diligence in completing the SSC. Now you have the responsibility to exemplify and share the teachings and messages of our beloved Bhagavan. Best wishes for your new journey as young adults. May Swami's blessings always be with you, and may you always be as an instrument in his divine mission. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Samarth and Karthik. Congratulations on graduating from SSC. You're all becoming young adults now. May Swami bless you both with all success in your endeavors, and may he always be with you. Very good luck for your future, and hoping to see a lot of programs from you guys as young adults. Sai Ram.
Congratulations, Karthik and Samarth. Wish you all the very best.
Congratulations, Karthik and Samarth. Wish you all the best in your future endeavors. May Bhagwan's blessing be with you all the time.
Congratulations, Karthik and Samarth, from graduating from SSC to young adult. May Swami be with you and protect you and guide you, and you will do wonders as a young adult as you have done it as SSC kids. Have a great time at UCF, and we look forward to hearing great stories from you, both of you. Love you and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Very proud. God bless.
Very proud you. God bless you.
God bless you both.
Sairam, I know Karthik from last 5 years. Have seen him improve on his strengths and grow consistently to be one of the best outgoing SSC students from Jacksonville Science Center. Karthik joined me in YA retreat with a lot of enthusiasm and participated with all the YAs in all the activities, and he was appreciated by all of them. I wish him all the very best in all his future endeavors and proud he's going to soon be an young adult. Sairam. Sairam. Seeing Samad in SSC classes, I share a lot of memories with him. He is very good at grasping and with his smart way of handling things and intelligent answers. Samarth was the first Group 3 student from Jacksonville Science Center back in 2018 itself who has attended the YA Arya retreat. He was instantly liked by all the YAs, due to his friendly nature. Proud that he's going to soon join the young adult group, and I wish Samarth a great success and bright future. Sairam.
Hi, Samarth and Karthik. Congratulations on your high school graduation, completion of SC Group 4. It's a great and a proud achievement. Best wishes for your college, an important phase of your life. So hold on to Swami and his teachings every moment. May Swami guide you and bless you abundantly.
Sairam Samarth, Sairam Karthik, congratulations for your graduation. Swami is with you. All the best.
Would like to wish you all the very best and Baba's blessings for both of you, and he will take care of both of you, and we want you to grow higher and higher. Baba's blessings to you and all the best.
Sairam, Samarth and Karthik, congratulations on successfully graduating from high school. Great job, guys, and wishing you both the best in the college life ahead, and I hope you both do well there with Swami's blessings, and you both should be part of the music group there, music band there, and we'll all come and visit you in UCF. Best of luck, and Sairam. Thank you.
Woo! Uncle, after 7 takes, he managed to say it right. Okay. So, congratulations, Samarth and Karthik. We're very proud of you. School in Jacksonville is finally over, huh? And you're going to a new place. Very happy. You'll be so excited about it. Remember, there'll be a lot of challenges, a lot of new situations, new people, everything. I'm sure the SSC classes and the lessons there have prepared you for this life beyond home. And we will miss you terribly. In the Sai Center, we will miss you definitely, especially when some specific songs are sung. Okay, I will definitely remember you both. So all the best. Keep visiting us. Don't forget us. And when you go and you become big shots, then you should always remember you started at Jacksonville, though it's a small town. We were all there cheering for you. Okay, all the best.
Sairam.
Sairam, on this graduation day, I was first want to congratulations to all the graduates, people who are moving to new level in SSC, and of course with Samarth and Karthik to graduating SSC class now, being a young adult. Very proud of all of you, and very thankful to all the teachers. At the same time, just want to say a couple of words to our new young adults, that all the values you have learned, hope you remember all of that. The Swami always says the end of the education is character, and now going forward his message will spread through you. Like he said, your life will become my message, is what Swami said. So remember all those values, remember all those things you have learned in SSC, and it's time to apply everything you learned, at the same time replicate what you have learned with other people. Okay, so good luck and Sairam.
Yeah, Sairam, they go out now as a young adults, and not only that, they have now responsibility to spread the Swami's divine words and spread, teaching through their actions and through their behavior, through their character. So I hope and expect that they will do that, and with that, I'm really proud of them. Everyone, I'm proud of everyone. And I'm proud of everyone, but especially Karthik and Samarth, because since they are graduating from the whole SSC now. So I want to congratulate and good luck to both of them, and God, Swami bless you throughout your next journey. That's Saira.
Hey, class of 2021. Hearty congratulations to Karthik and Samarth. I'm so very proud of you for all you have done in your SSC classes. I'm really looking forward to seeing you as great young adults. Stay in Swami's fold. Just leave everything to Swami and do your very best. Good luck. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, Karthik and Samarth, hearty congratulations. As there is a saying, every exit is an entry to other door. So you are leaving group 4 and heading to YA group. So it comes up with a great responsibility, and be a role model to your younger ones, and be part of the Swami's mission all the time. And please make sure you lead your life as his message. Sai Ram.